Good evening, my people, and this is Tuko Farms. And today is 15th of March 2021. And what you're looking at here is one of my love cages. I just want to show you that during the rainy season, there's no shaking for my flies, because they are doing perfectly okay. As you can see, look at them. They are very fine. They are very okay. Through the use of my artificial light, they are active, they mate, and they lay lots and lots of eggs for me. So if you're practicing another breeding, just try to brace yourself against the coming rain and heavy winds. This is Tuko Farms, and as you can see, these are my larvae. I have lots of them. I love feeling too cold and I love feeling too hot. The temperature is normal. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to click on the subscription button and also on the notification bell in order to notify you whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.